let's see the number of positive integers what is satisfying this particular equation, that's coming from permutations and combinations, right? So I can say n plus 1 the whole factorial divided by n plus 1 minus n plus 2 the whole factorial into n minus 2 the whole factorial minus of n plus 1 the whole factorial divided by n plus 1 minus n plus 1 the whole factorial into n minus 1 the whole factorial less than or equal to 50, correct? So n plus 1 the whole factorial divided by 3 factorial into n minus 2 the whole factorial minus of n plus 1 the whole factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 1 the whole factorial less than or equal to 50, correct? So I may say n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 the whole factorial divided by 6 times n minus 2 the whole factorial. These two terms will get cancelled. Minus of n plus 1 into n minus 1 the whole factorial divided by 2 times n minus 1 the whole factorial less than or equal to 50. What do you say? So n minus 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial will get cancelled. So your answer will be n plus 1 into n plus 1 into n, and this is nothing but n minus 1 divided by 6 minus of 1 divided by 2. Minus of 1 divided by 2 should be less than or equal to 50, correct or not? Yes. So what is this answer that we get? N plus 1 into n into what is it? 2n. So this is nothing but n minus 1 minus 3. So n minus 4 divided by 6 less than or equal to 50. So n plus 1 into n minus 4 less than or equal to, how much is it? 300. If you can see here, number of positive integers is told in the problem, right? Number of positive integers. So you can put 10 is equal to 8. If you put 10 is equal to 8, what do you get? 9 into 8 into 8 minus 4 is 4. How much do you get? 9 8s are 72. 72 into 4 is how much? 72 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28 is equal to 288 less than or equal to 300, which means up to 8, this value inequality will be satisfied. But in the meantime, if you put n is equal to 1, what will be the answer that we get now? If you put n is equal to 1, answer will be 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 less than or equal to 300. So n cannot take, if you put n is equal to 1 here, what do you get here now? You will get n plus 1, 2c minus 1 you will get, minus of 2c0, that is less than or equal to 50 you will get, which is, this part is wrong, right? When you put n is equal to 1, when we put n is equal to 1, this part is wrong. So n is equal to 1 cannot be the answer to the question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 8 values it can take, but 1 cannot be the answer to the question, correct or not? So totally how many values you can take? Here I can take how many integers, how many positive integers I can take? 7 positive integers I can take. 1 cannot be taken because if you put n is equal to 1, 2c minus 1, this particular combination is not correct, because in combinations you cannot select minus 1 items out of 2 items, right? So that's not possible. You can maximum select 2 and minimum select 0. 2c 0 is possible, but 2c minus 1 is not possible. So 1 you cannot take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many values are possible? 7 solutions are possible is the answer to the question.